So now let's say that you've discovered a market with a ton of demand. So the next thing that we need to take a look at is the competition. The fact is that many products have great demand. However, the issue is that if that product niche is far too competitive, in that case, it's going to make it extremely difficult for us to get ranked anywhere near page 1 for the main product's keyword. It's not that you can't rank a competitive product at the top of the search results. It's just that why would we want to make life harder for ourselves? We want product niches with high demand and low competition. Now let's take the classic example of a yoga mat. If you search yoga mat on Amazon and then you use the Jungle Scout Chrome extension to analyze all the products that appear on the first page, you'll see that they have amazing demand. Some of the sellers are making 5 figures per month alone on this single product. But then, if you take a look at the reviews for the exact same yoga mats, it's safe to say they're going to be well beyond the cutoff that I'm going to advise you apply of having no more than 75 reviews. So why have I chosen 75 to be the cutoff for our reviews? If it's so important to find products that have low competition, why not find products that have, say, 30 or 20 reviews, right? Well, the fact is that 9 times out of 10, any market worth selling a product in is going to have competition. And that's because other sellers just like you will have came along with their Jungle Scout tool and they'll have seen this product has great demand, so they themselves have decided to start selling that product on Amazon. And over time, the reviews have slowly begun to build up. So unless we're one of the very first people to discover a great product opportunity, which is unlikely, then we want to tolerate some level of competition. And in my experience, 75 reviews is a happy medium.